W is for whale. W is for whale. There are lots of different types of whales. Minke whale, humpback whale, dolphin, orca, sperm whale, grey whale. W is for wow. These animals can jump, leap and backflip out of the water. W is for whistle. Whales make whistling noises to talk to one another. W is for whooping. A blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. W is for water. Whales live in every single ocean of the world. W is for white. This white whale is called a beluga. W is for wild. You can take a boat trip and see whales in the sea if you are lucky. W is for whimsical. Narwhals have a tusk that looks like a unicorn horn. W is for whoosh. When a whale breathes out, water shoots from its blowhole. W is for wonderful. Whales are like nothing else on earth.